The best thing about being overnight in a strange hotel is a 24-hour fitness center. I've got pads and towels. I've got an elliptical trainer. I've got over here, wait for it, look at all those dumbbells. I've got an adjustable bench and a Bosu ball. No excuses not to work out. Okay, so I've adjusted the bench. I've looked at my sheet. I've carry it with me in my little gym kit. I'm going to try and start out with 40 pounds, and we'll see if we can do, 8 or 9 reps. That's kind of the goal. So here we are, 40 pounds. Now think of this as independence insurance. I'm not just pushing weight. I'm building my functional overhead strength. I'm going to need that as I get older. So I'm concentrating on my form. Notice how I start out parallel and then I turn 90 degrees with the dumbbells. See my left arm struggle? I broke it when I was 17. It's never been the same. I'm feeling fatigue. I'm feeling the burn. Finished. Now set the watch for 3 minutes. Okay, that's it. Set the watch for 3 minutes. Now we're on to set 2. Still at 40 pounds. Rest, get a little bit prepped. Okay, this lifting is for real world stuff. If I'm changing a smoke detector battery or a highlight bulb, I'm going to be reaching up. It may not be 40 pounds that I'm reaching up for, but I'll have more functional strength. See that left arm lagging right there? I am what I am. I just got to keep pushing through. One more. One more. I've got to tell myself just one more right now. Go, push. Push left arm, push left arm. Got it. That is it. I'm done. 3-minute timer. On to the third set. Look at my sheet. I'm going to adjust down to 35 pounds. I'm going to shoot for about 13 reps. Okay? I see what I've done on my tracking sheet before. I don't have to go off my memory. I'm tracking this. So again, see here how I'm adjusting my form? My friend Anthony from New Jersey taught me this part of the technique. So you can see it's a lot easier to do the reps, even though it's just 5 pounds. That's a tremendous difference when you're talking about a shoulder press, an incline shoulder press like this. Every one of these reps it's like a deposit into a stability bank for our, just our ongoing health. This way we don't have a glitch or a slip when we're, reaching for something up tall. So got to push through these last few. Feel the burn. That left arm again. It's just weaker. Now I'm going to rest a minute. I'm mentally preparing myself. It hurts right here, folks. It hurts. I'm tired. I hurt. But I got up at 3:30 to come down here to the gym today to push through, and I did. I think that was 13 reps. Okay, I finished my 3 minutes rest. Okay, set number 4. I got up early this morning. Set 4, I'm tired. I'm at 35 pounds again. I'm going to do as many as I can. This is where your resilience really has to come in. Sometimes you just got to say to yourself, I'm going to suck it up today. I've got up. I've made it to the gym. Just push through a little bit on this last set. Few extra reps here. This is just as important as the first set. The first set was heavier, was 40 pounds. The second set was 40 pounds. Third set and fourth set, both at 35, many more reps than I can do at 40. Look, I've just got to push here. I've especially got to tell my left arm, push through. Just push through right there. Just rest a minute. Tell your mind to rest a minute. Get in that zone and think to yourself, I got one more. And will that left arm up. And I'm done. Started out today with 4 sets of the shoulder press. Then we went on to 2 sets on our core. Then we ended up with the cardio. Let's show you a little bit here without the shirt. Okay, started out with the shoulders, then some tricep work. It's really important to maintain a stable core. Don't worry about a little bit of belly fat. I'm not aiming for a 6-pack. I also worked out pretty decent on my quads today during that dead bug, and then of course finished up with the cardio. Remember, you need to track, adjust, and own your own workout for yourself. This is the #1 thing. This is for your independence as a senior. Don't let anybody else tell you you can't do it.